Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. It's finally getting close now. The African giant Burna Boy is set to make his last Caribbean stop on his Love Damini 2022 tour this weekend at the National Stadium. The highly anticipated cross-cultural festival Burna Boy Live is expected to be one to remember and is one of the biggest shows in Jamaica this Christmas season. On the lineup for the show are our very own Popcorn, who has been dominating dancehall music and is also featured on Burna's album, as well as reggae sensation Lila Ike. Now DJ Boom Boom and DJ Mac, who are two of the 5 DJs who will be on the turntables at the event, gave their views on Afrobeats music and what it has been doing for the entertainment sector.
Afrobeat play a big role right now. So may I say, because remember, we know every genre of music, how go many places go play. I'm not telling a lie. More time as I start play the Afrobeat, we get a different response from the crowd. You know what I mean?
It has highlighted not only just how big the music actually is, but where it can go. And I feel like a lot of Jamaican artists need to start exercising their diversity where genre is concerned, because we see what it has done for the other Afrobeat artists, African artists, even some American artists that try in that field as well. So I really feel like we should start to experimenting more with genre and sound selection.
Sponsorship coordinator and legal advisor for Love Damini Kingston Tour, Leanne Oliver, said this will be one of the biggest shows for the year.
It's just a great vibe for the Christmas season. It's going to be the biggest concert that Jamaica has seen for this year for sure. So people from all over are coming to see the show, and it's open to teenagers, so it can be a family event as well. So I definitely think that it's something for all of Jamaica to experience.
The show is scheduled to begin at 4 p.m. this Sunday at the National Stadium. See you at Burna Boy. That's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Be safe.